Plasma cluster technology is often mistaken as the same method adopted in a negative ionizer, a type of air purifier found in market. Plasma cluster and negative ionizer are as different as male and male. As claimed by negative ion generating air purifiers, negative ions are found near waterfalls, sea beach or in some stones. But these places are not considered ideal or fresh. However, forests are not only clean but also fresh due to the balance of both positive and negative ions. Let us see the balance of both positive and negative ions in various surroundings. When we go to a forest or park, we feel relaxed and pleased due to the perfect balance of both positive and negative ions. Whereas the air near a waterfall or beach smells little pungent due to higher presence of negative ions and cannot be considered ideal. In urban outdoor, the balance is maintained, but the levels of positive and negative ions drop due to excessive pollution. Whereas in an indoor, it is completely out of balance. This is primarily due to poor ventilation and lack of sunlight. Probably this is the reason we feel fresh when we open our doors and windows. Let's understand the reason for imbalance in little detail. As you can see, the positive charges are higher than negative. This is harmful static electricity caused by friction, dryness and presence of electrical and electronic appliances. Please don't mistake this positive charge as positive ions. A negative ion air purifier, ionic air purifier or an ionizer charges the oxygen in the air to create oxide ion. They spread in the room to find various allergens. They surround them to make them heavier, which falls to the nearest horizontal surface, which means that it can actually fall on our food or even clothes, thus making it impractical for indoor purification. Active plasma cluster technology, on the other hand, creates the same level of positive and negative ions, thus generating freshness, neutralizing harmful substances and improve skin texture. Let us see how it actually works. All Sharp air purifier consists of the plasma cluster unit, which holds the pair of electrodes. When a high voltage discharge of electrical current alternates continuously between two electrodes, the shock causes water vapor floating between the electrodes to separate into large number of positive and negative ions. As soon as these ions are generated, Sharp's role ends and nature takes over. With the airflow, these ions are pushed out of the air purifier and released into each and every corner of the room. Once they come across any pathogen, the positive and negative ions combine to create hydroxyl momentarily on the surface of the mold or virus. Hydroxyl is highly oxidizing substance which breaks the DNA of the mold and virus, exposing the protein layer hydrogen. This hydrogen then combines with hydroxyl OH to return to the atmosphere as water vapor H2O, killing the virus and mold. This process mimics nature. Thus, plasma cluster ions can safely and effectively eliminate mold, fungi, virus bacteria, and various kinds of smell, VOC, and other harmful substances not only from the air but also from the surface. But why will you believe us? These claims made by Sharp Plasma Cluster has been globally verified by several research laboratories for its safety and effectiveness.
Hello, I'm Nishikawa, the founder of Plasma Cluster. The Plasma Cluster suppressing effect on airborne viruses was proven under a condition close to actual environment, and it was very meaningful to use the actual influenza viruses. First, the virus was spread into the 25 cubic meter space with the air purifier operating. Then the room air was collected at the regular time intervals, and the removing rate of the viruses was checked. It was also confirmed that Plasma Cluster 7000 air purifier suppresses 99% of airborne viruses in approximately 18 minutes. We are able to prove the high suppressing effect of product on airborne viruses in a real space close to the product used environment. In the near future, I hope Plasma Cluster mounted product will be widely spread in various spaces. Plasma Cluster only from Sharp.